Traders afternoon, what is it? It is about 1:45 in the afternoon now. It's the 5th of March, Thursday, and I've got up here the AUDCAD. It's a little bit better quality on this monitor here. It's like a Samsung, I think it's like a 20 something inch. It's a little bit better, so I can get a bit of clarity, and the laptop one's a little bit too small, to be honest. So that's why I'm looking away, but I've got the AUDCAD here. What I will do is I take entries with the 4-hour time frame, but the daily gives me a bit of a scope on what's going on, and as you can see, it's pretty telling. I prefer the line graph. It shows the close points. That's where the actual that's how they're all joined together. So that's pretty interesting as well. Where it's currently trading, there is a little bit of support there. What I call these is zones, support and resistance zones. So what I'll wait for is this candle to close and just see what it does. I haven't put an entry in or anything like that, but I'm definitely watching the AUDCAD for potential sell trade. I actually bought this last month, and it was a losing trade. So as you can see, I adapt. I shift my my focus based on what's going on in the markets. And it's not a lot, to be honest. It's pretty. What to go for? Let's go have some water. Just woke up for a nap as well. I've got work tonight, which is really good, so that's why I'm a little bit not fully there yet. I'm still waking up, so I apologize. Aussie dollar 76.80 or something like that. That's not interesting yet. See, that's got a that's a, well-defined level there. It bounces. It looks like it might just continue rallying upwards, but it's more of a 50-50 play, and I'm not particularly interested in that. So if we AUSD, we'll have a look at as well. I'm more of a trend trader, so when I see that chopping around, I'm not particularly interested in that. So we're going to leave that be. And euro, how's that going? So they're pretty similar as well. So thank you. USDCAD, and with the stop loss, if you're wondering, it is set in accordance with the 55-day moving average. So right here, the USDCAD is interesting for a sell trade, but the 200 is actually above the 55. So once that crosses over, but if something like that, and it does break down and it slightly hasn't crossed over, I probably will take it. I'll use a bit of discretion, and I will take that trade because there's a lot of room to the left. It could really just break down pretty nicely. But I'll be watching that. I'll be watching USDCAD and the AUDCAD. AUDCAD is the top pick currently, but this is also pretty interesting as well. So leading into the afternoon, evening here in Perth, I will keep everyone updated. Please follow me on Twitter at TradeTalkPippin or on Instagram, scottystrading. So with the Twitter, I share that with a fellow trader in Australia. He also does sort of similar methods than I do. He's more of a box type trader, and then he looks for a breakout. But with the trend normally is what he does too. So check out his stuff as well. Connor Murphy's his name. He's got Twitter as well. But we share the Trade Talk page. All the screenshots go on there. Also LinkedIn, I post on there as well. But most frequently on Twitter. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching, and bye for now. Happy trading.